Speak with purpose. The way your voice comes across instantly tells people whether you're confident and capable of taking the lead. And here's the fascinating part. There's one small adjustment you can make using only 2 words that can completely transform how women see you. It almost sounds too simple to be true, doesn't it? Stick with me, because today I'm going to explain how this tiny change can have a huge effect on attraction. The impact is real, but only when you say it with confidence and certainty. And I'm not only going to explain the concept, I'll also show you how to use it naturally in everyday conversations so it feels genuine instead of forced. Before we get started, do me a quick favor. Hit the like button and subscribe. It only takes a second, but it helps this video reach more men who want to improve themselves. Fair enough? Great. Let's get into it. This is exactly where most men make a mistake. Whenever they're asked what they want, they hesitate or try too hard to be agreeable. You've probably caught yourself saying things like, "I'm okay with anything," or "I don't really mind, you decide." That doesn't make you seem considerate. It makes you appear uncertain, and uncertainty is one of the quickest ways to weaken attraction. Here's the simple change. 2 words that immediately shift the message you're sending. I want. They're incredibly simple, yet extremely powerful. The moment you say, "I want," you communicate confidence, direction, and decisiveness. You're no longer throwing out possibilities. You're taking the lead, and leadership is attractive. Let's make this practical. Imagine you're asking her out. A lot of guys say something vague, like, "Maybe we could hang out sometime if you're available." That's forgettable and lacks confidence. Instead, say, "I want to take you out Friday night." Hear the difference? You're not asking for permission. You're stepping forward with clear intention. That kind of energy gets noticed. Here's another example. Starting a conversation. Rather than getting stuck in endless small talk, be direct. Say, "I want to get to know you better. Let's grab coffee this week." It's clear, honest, and confident. That type of presence leaves an immediate impression. And if you're already dating, this phrase becomes even more powerful. Instead of automatically saying, "I don't mind," or whatever you want, try saying, "I want to spend the weekend together. Let's plan something fun." It communicates intention, genuine interest, and initiative. Now here's the key point. Confidence isn't the same as arrogance. The way you deliver these words makes all the difference. If she can't make your plan or offers another idea, don't become pushy or stubborn. Stay flexible. For example, "No problem. What about Saturday instead?" That's confident while still being adaptable, and that balance earns respect. Here's something most men never realize. Saying "I want" doesn't only benefit you. It actually makes it easier for her to express what she wants as well. That's where genuine connection begins. When both people feel comfortable being honest and direct, everything becomes much more natural. Your tone matters too. If you say it aggressively, it can easily backfire. But if you say it calmly and with confidence, it creates exactly the effect you're looking for. So here's your challenge for the next 7 days. Use the words "I want" at least 5 times every day. And don't limit it to conversations with women. Use it with your friends, your coworkers, even when you're ordering food. Practice expressing your preferences with confidence. You'll begin noticing people responding differently. You'll earn more respect, spark more interest, and yes, create more attraction. And remember, simply watching this video is only the first step. What truly matters is putting it into practice. Give it a try. Pay attention to how the energy changes. Let it shape the way you present yourself. Now I want to hear from you. Leave a comment below. How are you planning to use the phrase "I want" this week? Share a situation, a goal, or even a small way you'll start practicing it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It truly supports the channel and allows me to keep creating content like this for you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Stay consistent and keep showing up with confidence.